Sir Milo, first the reason behind coming into making the film and what's the motivation of doing this one?
Matagal na kasi ako naghihintay ng documentary on Doy del Mundo. Sabi ko, ba't wala bang documentary on Doy del Mundo? So, nangyari yung COVID, sabi ko, then, nabago yung perspective sa parang very frail. Sabi ko, ako na lang gagawa. Then, that started all. I contacted Sir Doy and through several meetings, kinonvince ko siya kasi ayaw niya talaga gumawa ng doc on him. So, siguro mga 4 meetings. Then finally, he said, oh, sige na nga. Parang ganun din. The rest, we started in 2023. Natapos kami in 2025. So, it's a long process.
Alright. To Sir Claude naman, Del Mundo. Sir, just a question lang. What made you say yes to finally to document this biographical film po?
Well, sa totoo lang, hindi ko pa rin alam kung bakit ako sumagot ng makulit Makulit para matahimik na siguro. Yun lang. Pero, hindi ko alam kung ano talagang, kung anong gagawin niya or ano sasabihin niya dun sa pelikula. Well, mabuti naman yung focus naman ng pelikula, hindi lang sa akin, pero sa Philippine cinema din.
Alright, thank you for that, Sir Del Mundo. And of course, sir, kindly also introduce us, of course, the name and also the reason for
Si Toti is one of my executive producer. So, when we were doing the interviews, since very limited ang budget namin, wala kaming crew and everything, so basically kami lang dalawa when meet all of these people na in-interviews mo. Yeah, so, it's been very helpful.
If I may, I'd like to also acknowledge the presence of Sir Doy's wife, si Ms. Deng Del Mundo, and also one of our interviews of the film, cinematographer, Miss Lee. Si Miss Lee, she's also there. So we're very grateful to all of the people we've interviewed for the past 2 years. So I think 22 to be exact. So nakita nyo na this documentary is chock full of information. So hopefully a lot of more people will be able to see it after CINAG. So I help bring it to schools. So if you guys have anyone who'd like has a culture of film or history, please inform them so we can bring it to a new generation of possible filmmakers, cinematographers, screenwriters, and actors as well.
All right, thank you for that. I say it's go ahead, Sir.
May gusto lang akong sabihin, no? Si Deng, my wife, has already seen this film, I don't know, three times or 4 times. Wow. Kilala niya naman yung subject ng pelikula. So iniisip niya, sino itong nasa pelikula? No? Hindi yan ang kilala ko.
All right, since this is